Hi everyone!
Hey everyone! Well, we're in Chilliwack and we're kind of excited today. We're actually at Escape Trailer and we're here to look at their newest trailer, a 13-foot model.
Yeah, so we're in their showroom in Chilliwack, BC. As you guys know, we really like small RVs, and this is the smallest trailer that they have. So we're gonna go in, meet Christina.
And then hopefully let us film a bit of the trailer.
Yeah.
So join us.
We hope you enjoyed this video. So we were at an RV repair shop recently, and the owners mentioned that a lot of RVs today are getting overly complicated, lots of systems, lots of things that can fail. The Escape 13 feels like it's bucking this trend, and that's part of why it caught our attention. It also reminded us a bit of what a modern bowler might look like. Molded fiberglass, minimalist layout, but updated materials. We see a lot of Escape trailers on the road, and the owners always seem very happy with them. And even though this is their smallest trailer, you still get customization options. 13 exterior colors, different flooring, different cabinetry. So you can still make it feel like your very own. So some quick specs. Exterior length is 13 feet 8 inches plus, we'd guess another 14 inches if you add an optional spare tire. Height to the top of the max fan when open is 8 feet 6.5 inches, and the width is 6 feet 7 inches. For comparison, our van is 6 feet 11 inches wide. The height inside is 6 feet 1 inch. Freshwater capacity is 20 gallons. Up front, you can fit two 20-pound propane tanks. There's also a propane quick connect for a portable barbecue or fire pit or stove. Hitch weight is around 250 pounds, and dry weight starts around 1,850 pounds. GVWR is 2,500 pounds. So our first impression is that the Escape 13 is so compact that it should be easy to maneuver and store. You still get the full molded fiberglass shell, two pieces bonded together. And the door is black, which is unusual for a fiberglass trailer. It gives a different look. Escape also said future models will have an option for a window in the door. There's also a manual entry step. Along the passenger side, you've got the furnace vent, 120-volt electrical outlets, and acrylic windows. Gordon is showing how the snaps work. There is also a manual awning, more of a tent-style setup with poles. We didn't get a chance to set it up, but the mechanism looks simple enough. On the driver's side are the power and water hookups and the fridge vent. So Gordon's just crawling underneath the trailer now. You can see the axle, the freshwater tank tucked above the frame rails, and the wiring and plumbing routed out of the way. The stabilizer jacks are manual as well. Nothing powered here, just simple crank down jacks. Okay, let's head inside. It feels really open for a small trailer. The interior cabin length is 9 feet 10 inches. The front dinette seats two, can move to allow entry and converts to a bed. A small one. The windows bring in a lot of natural light. Nice shades. And bug screen. Much of the lighting is dimmable, which is nice in the evenings.
Mood lighting. And it doesn't actually come with fruit, and it's not real fruit anyway. It's the Dometic furnace.
The permanent bed in the back is about 75 inches long and 43 inches wide. If you're used to small tent camping, the size will feel familiar. A little snug for two perhaps, but roomy for one. And having it always set up is really nice. No converting anything, no moving cushions around, and you can just crawl in at the end of the day. The kitchen is compact, sink, countertop, and a fridge. There's no hot water heater though. Propane stove, 3 cubic foot, two-way fridge. Yeah, there's decent space in there. And the freezer's not too bad a size. Stainless steel sink, high arc faucet. Very nice. And there's also no gray tank. So the hoses here actually drain the water outside. So you collect the water in a container and dump it where appropriate. Storage is decent for a trailer this size. Overhead cabinets. Very big. Lower cabinets. Very drawer. Not big enough for a litter box.
No.
And storage under the bed. It also comes with a 100 amp lithium battery, and it looks like there's room to add another. And to charge the battery, it has a port to attach a portable solar panel. And Christina says that's how you're supposed to put the bed down. You can access the storage under the bed this way as well. Overall, it's a simple, bright interior with a modern feel. So that's the Escape 13, a small lightweight trailer with a pretty minimal setup. Options are limited, but you can add things like a storage box, full-size spare tire with cover, aluminum tire package, porta potty, and optional upgrades to countertop, fabric, flooring, and cabinetry. And we really appreciated the quality of all of their finishes. It's not trying to be everything, it's just a straightforward little trailer that should be easy to tow and easy to look after. So if you like minimalist camping or you're moving up from a tent and want something uncomplicated, this would definitely be worth checking out. We should also note that they have an introductory price right now, just under 24,000 US dollars or 33,600 Canadian dollars. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the brand new Escape 13 travel trailer.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It's a beautiful little trailer. We really enjoyed taking a look underneath it and inside. Yeah, great.
Yeah, and thanks to the great staff. They were very patient with us. And
Christina,
letting us film.
thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks to Christina for answering some of our questions.
Yeah, as well. Yeah. So what did you think of the color?
I actually liked it.
Yeah, so did I.
Yeah.
My favorite, brilliant blue or real red.
Yeah. And you've got your choice of colors, which is great.
You do.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And we will see you next time.
We'll see you next time.